What's good, guys? It's your boy Michael out here, back again with another video to give you guys an update on the 5k to 300k journey. So me and my partner Denzel are doing a challenge where we are doing the 5k MyForexFunds challenge, and we're trying to scale that the whole way up to the 300k challenge. So I've managed to secure the 5k account and have been able to pass phase 1 and phase 2. So in phase 1, you are required to make a profit of 8% in a minimum of 30 days. So what happened with phase 1 was that I managed to get the profit target in 3 days. And after you secure it in 3 days, you need a minimum of trading days of 5. So for the next 2 days, I had to do 0.01 lots just to get the trading day in. So once I finish phase 1, you get an email from MyForexFunds saying that you're eligible to go into the next step. So after that, then I moved on to phase 2. In phase 2, you are required to make a profit of 5% in 60 days. I passed phase 2 in about 2 days, so then I had to do another 0.01 for another 3 days to get my minimum trading days in. So once you have phase 1 and phase 2 cleared, you'll get an email from MyForexFunds saying that your certificate's available. I'll post my cert on the screen so you guys can all see. And what happens next is that before you get your live account, you have to submit your KYC documents. So this would be like your proof of address, like your passport picture, or driver license, proof of ID, just to make sure that you are a real person and you are who you say you are. So once you have your KYC documents submitted, between 24 to 48 hours, MyForexFunds will then send you another email with your live trading account details. So once you get your live trading account details, I would highly recommend that you start the very first day with a 0.01 lot just to get the trading days in. Because with the live account, you get paid after 31 days, but within those 31 days, you have to trade a minimum of 10 days. So you have to open trades 10 days within the 31 days to make sure you get your payout. So I do recommend opening the very first day with a 0.01 just to get the ball rolling, because you don't want to get to the end of the 31 days and then you're behind on trading days, because that just causes a delay in your payments. So once you secure your profits then in the live account, I managed to make a profit of 5% in the 31 days. So I got paid in and around 250. And the good thing with MyForexFunds as well is that once you get your profit split, your first payout, you get a refund of what you paid for the account. So the 5k account cost me about 45 euros, and I got a refund of that plus my profit split. So basically the account is risk-free. I have no money involved in that account anymore. I got it all back. So as our challenge entails, what I done next was that I bought a 10k account that cost me about 75 euros. So I'm still open profits because I made 250, but now I have a 10k account as well, challenge, and I have the 5k account, live account. So obviously the purpose of this all is to show you guys that you can start with small accounts. There's no need to go for the big ones. I always recommend to everyone, start small and gradually grow your account. Because as you can see, I made 5% on the 5k account, which is 250. If you're looking at, say for example, a 100k account, 5% would be 5k. Big difference between 250 and 5k. And obviously, like looking at your MetaTrader, seeing you're up 2, 3, 4, or 5k, there will be some more emotions involved. So I do recommend really start with the small accounts and gradually build your way, because even the 5k account, it only costs you 45 euros. And if you lost that account, you're not going to be too much out of pocket losing 45 euros that you'd easily spend on food or drinks or going somewhere with your girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever. So therefore, like, start small and make sure that whatever money you're putting into the markets is money that you are okay losing. So once you make your profit and the 31 days have passed and everything is okay in your account, you will then get an email from my Forex fund. I'll put that on the screen as well. That will say it's time for your payout. So once you want to get your payout, the payouts are done through Deal. So you'll have to make a Deal account. So Deal is like an external company that my Forex fund will send them the money, and then you can then request the money from Deal to go either into your bank account, into your Revolut, or you can get paid in crypto. And the payout from Deal takes in and around 24 or 48 hours. Mine was very quickly. The same day the payment landed in Deal, it was in my Revolut account the same day. So they're very, very quick at sending the money to you. Once they send the money to you, it's in your account and you can withdraw it whatever way you like, and it's all yours to do whatever you want with it. So if you'd like to keep up with our journey of the 5K to the 300K challenge, we'll post a link to our Telegram in the description as well. And in our Telegram, I do share every single thing that happens with my account. I'm very transparent and open with you guys on what I'm making or how it's going. And here and there as well, I also do share certain setups that I'm looking at. Obviously, it's not signals. So whatever you choose to do with these charts that I put into the group chat is up to yourself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let there be peace in the Middle East, and let my brothers and sisters be safe. Thanks for having me, guys. Peace.